friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. In today's video, we learn how to get that pause button in between the green flag and the stop button. Let's get moving. We're gonna divide this into two easy steps, which is gonna be first to download Scratch Addons and the second to apply the option, and that's it. First, go to our web store and search for Scratch Addons. Click on the orange logo Scratch Addons offered by scratchaddons.com. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. This might take a while. Now it has added to Chrome and it has given me a welcome letter. Now let's go to a new tab and take the Scratch Addons. And there will be three tabs: messaging, games, and addons. We're going to click on addons and search for pause button. And you'll get the pause button. Just enable it and go back to our project and reload it. And in a while, once your project is completely reloaded, you'll see that pause button for you. So that's what I want to tell you in this video. It's a pretty short video just to show you how to make that pause button come to true. Do subscribe, like, and comment to this video if you want more fun and short videos just like these. And check out my channel to learn a lot more about Scratch.